Okay. Hi everyone. Today I'll be reviewing. Today I'll be reviewing Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette. This one you can see. Yes. So it's a quad, and it retails for 1250 rupees. It has 4 colors in it. Like this, and okay, it is focusing in. Yeah, so it has one black, I would say carbon black, one foil golden color. Let's do the swatches of it. Now let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with my foundation, and I'll not do a very heavy application because it is the review of an eyeshadow palette, so we'll limit it to that. What I'm using right now is MAC Studio Fix, okay, and I'm in the shade NC20. So let's get started. I have done my brows offline to save the time. In case you're wondering that this is a very lighter shade for me, when the whole look is done, it will all come together. You can go for a lighter shade as well, but I like to keep it at least one shade lighter than my normal skin tone. So yeah. So you see, it won't look that bad once all of it is done. So after this, I would like to use a damp beauty blender, because with that all the foundation goes in. Going to use the flat surface. It really helps to give you next to skin finish.
So now what we'll be doing is trying the eyeshadow, but first I will set my eyelid because I don't want it to crease. Where is my brush? So at the back of my hand, I'll just, and also my under eyes. I do not set my entire face because I feel it's not required all the time. But if you are that person who feels that you need to move out, or you want it to stay for longer, we'll discuss it in our future videos about what is baking, what is fixing, what is setting your face, what is finishing your face. Is a finishing powder similar to a setting powder? Do we need both, or do we need just one thing? So we'll be talking about it. We'll be talking a lot. So now I'm starting with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Since all the shades are shimmery in it, I'll be using some other matte shade.
Baba, you're focusing on the... Oh, thank God. Thank God you listened to me. Oh, wow. So now we have our close-up, and my camera finally listened to me. So you can see my eyebrows are not well done, because nowadays it's a trend of keeping it quite raw, looking quite raw, not very refined. I have to get my eyebrows done. We Indian women know what it means. So let's get started. I like to start with something pink or peachy, and I layer it on my complete eyelid, but that is completely your preference. Okay. It's pigmented. I love this black color. See how pigmented it is? Thumbs up to it. Now we'll go in with the second shimmery shade. Let's see how it performs. So you can see it's very pigmented, very pigmented. Now I'm going to use the foil color, which is very golden, very foily. It's like crushed foils together. Ooh. Can you see that? I can see that. Yes. It is such a boom color. You know? Yeah, this is where I want my crease to be, you know. Since I have hooded eyes, so I'll be using some techniques to make my eyes look bolder, better, and we'll be discussing those techniques in my future videos. So if you are a hooded eye person, or if you want to understand my techniques of handling hooded eyes, then you're welcome. So I'll keep blending my colors till I feel that, you know, I have got what I really wanted to have. This is too big. think many of us don't like to use falsies, so most of my videos will be without falsies, but they do take the look at the next level. I agree. I'm quite happy the way this whole look has turned out, and I'll give you a close look at it. So you see the colors. The golden foil has come out really nice. Oh, my eyes are glistening. So I think it would be a complete face, how it looks. Yay! So this is the final look. Let me know how it is. How does it look? I'll be doing another review video of Manish Malhotra lipsticks, so stay tuned for another video. I'll give you a close shot. This is how it looks. It's quite pigmented. I'll see you in another video.